For question number 28, we need to use the graph below of the function f to answer the following questions. For letter A, we have to find where is f of 11. So for that, you go through the graph and you find where the point, the x-coordinate, is equal to 11, and we find that here, and then you write the y-coordinate, which is 1, and that is your answer for A. Now for B, you have to find wherever is f of 7 positive or negative. So again, you go through your line and you find the x-coordinate 7, which you find here, and that the line is down here, and that is below the 0, so it is negative. Now for letter C, we need to find how often does the line y equals 2 intersect the graph. The line y equals 2 is just a straight line through the y-coordinate 2, and we see that it intersects the graph in 2 places. For letter D, we have to figure out for what value of x does f of x equal 3. So for that, we look at all the coordinates where the 3 is the y-coordinate, and we find that in 2 places. So for the answer, we put in the x-coordinates 0 and 4. For letter E, we're doing the same process as for D, only for where the y-coordinates equal 0, and we find that in 3 places, in -3, 6, and 10. For letter F, we need to find for what values of x is f of x greater than 0. So that is, when is the y greater than 0? And we find that from the point -3 to the point 6, because they're all above the 0 for your first one. And then union, because we also go up here, 10 to 11. And because the graph is ending at 11, close bracket. What is the domain of f? Use interval notation. For domain, we go left to right. So we go -6 to 11. And we use brackets because they are the ends and included in the graph. And for the last one, h, we're going to find the range of the graph. And for that, we go from bottom to the highest point, which we get -3 on the y-coordinates to 4. And that is how you solve question 28.